Welcome to Wear It Wednesday. Today we're doing a twisty bun. I have so many friends that can't do braids. I thought I'd show you a series of styles that you can do by just twisting. For example, this is not what we're doing today, but you can literally just grab your finger and twist your hair. Grab an extra piece, etc. Put a bobby in it and you are done. You don't have to braid. Twists look just as pretty as braids. You just got to do it. Okay, so we're going to learn this style. You're going to see it go very, very quickly. And then we're going to slow it down and walk through each step. I love all of the super fast video tutorials that I see online, but it drives me crazy not to know what all the quirks about the style are and to have to figure that out myself. So we're going to walk through it step by step so that you can try it at home, and we'll be back next week with more twist styles. All right, enjoy. You'll start by creating a simple half up. You can make that as thick or thin, small or large as you'd like, depending on the texture of your hair. If you're unsure, start smaller. You can always redo it. Make sure to take a little time to smooth and detangle, pull out any knots. I'm going to use just a simple plastic rubber band. These are great because you can just snap them out when you're done and don't have to worry about them getting twisted and tangled in your hair. We're going to go to that top section and just gently pull out a few pieces of hair just to give it a little bit of interest and texture. Go easy. You can always do this at the end if you'd rather wait and see how things look. Separate your ponytail into two sections. I found it easier to twist them first separately before twisting them together. You want a nice secure twist in the same direction. So whatever direction you twisted them separately, continue to twist in that direction when you twist them together. Now just hold on to the ends, and same thing we did on the top. We're just going to pull out, loosen, not really pull out, but loosen a few strands of hair. Again, that's going to give your bun a little bit of texture. And now we're going to twist that into a bun. This part was a little tricky in figuring out which direction to go. You'll notice I actually turn in the same direction that I twisted. It doesn't look like it, but I am. I am going to secure this with a U-pin. I'm sorry you can't see that very well. I'll show you in just a second. Now look there. You see how the U-pin is sticking out? I did that intentionally to show you. I want that U-pin to go in, under, grab some hair, and then stick out the other side. You don't have to have those pieces sticking out, but I wanted you to see that. And there's your finished half up. You can actually stop there if you like the look of that and want to leave the rest of your hair down. That's a great look. You can stop there. Now the second section, we're just going to start at one side of the head with a small section of hair, twist, and add more as we go around. Make sure that that first section that you grab, that you do a nice defined twist. That's going to set your stage. The more you separate each piece, the more definition you're going to have to your twist. Just keep working all the way around. Don't worry too much if you have loosened strands of hair. We would have done that intentionally anyway. It's part of the look. Just keep twisting. At this point, we're kind of curving up towards the top and getting those side hairs. Make sure you twist those ends. And now we're going to twist, and you can just tuck those in under the bun. A rope. I'll use a second U-pin around the crown of the head, just over the top of that first bun that you That will stay secure just like that all day. I'm tucking it under the U-pin. Now we do have a big piece here, so I'm going to grab a bobby pin, put all of that stray hair in the bobby pin, and then push it up into the bun to hide it. You can grab another bobby pin for that second little piece, or just tuck it in. That's going to depend on the texture of your hair. Here is our finished look. I hope you like it, and I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. It's a very simple style. It'll take you a little practice to get those twists going, but you'll get it. I believe in you, and I know you can do it. Let me know if you try it. Thanks for watching.